You're watching How Leap. Let's add your current city on Facebook. Open the Facebook app and go to your profile by tapping your name. Tap Edit Profile below your cover photo. Scroll down to the section titled Places You've Lived. Tap Add a City. Select Current City from the drop-down list. Type the name of your city and select the correct one from the suggestions that appear. You can add the start year, which you can set to the current year. Use the audience selector to choose who can see this information, like friends or public. Tap Save. Your current city is now added to your profile. If you want to edit or remove it later, return to the same edit. Profile section. Find the city entry. Tap the three dots next to it and choose Edit or Delete. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.